Before you start, adjust your chair's backrest to its upright position and ensure the chair tilt is in its default upright and locked position. Place the foam sheet under the chair's wheelbase. This protects your floor from scratches or damage to the wheelbase. Carefully lay the chair backwards onto the foam sheet. Remove the tilt lever and the height adjustment lever. Insert the 4 rubber clips onto the seat base frame from the top as shown. Push each rubber clip inward toward the tilt mechanism. If your Secretlab Titan Evo is a size S, or you're using a Secretlab Omega 2020, partially loosen all 6 screws on the base of both armrests by turning anti-clockwise with the provided Allen key. Slide the armrests to the outermost position. You can adjust the armrest width back to your desired position after the recliner has been installed. Remove the foam blocks from the red locking mechanisms located on both sides of the recliner. Check that the locking mechanisms are disengaged. If not, lift the levers to unlock the mechanisms. Hold the recliner firmly on each side of the recliner cushion and guide it onto the underside of the seat base. Tilt the recliner at a slight angle toward you to slide the mounting hooks onto the rubber clips. Push downward to fully insert the mounting hooks. Press down on the red lever to lock the mechanism on both sides of the recliner. You should hear a click when it is properly locked. If you can't lock the mechanism, check that the 4 mounting hooks are properly aligned and fully inserted. Slot the recliner lever onto the recliner shaft. Reinsert the height adjustment and tilt levers onto the tilt mechanism shafts. Remove the safety strap from the recliner. Do not adjust the recliner until your chair is upright. Pull upward on the recliner to ensure it is properly secured to the chair. There should be close to no movement or give. Once secure, carefully flip your chair upright. You can now enjoy your Secretlab chair with the Secretlab Ergonomic Recliner add-on. Set the chair backrest to an upright position. Ensure the chair tilt is in its default upright and locked position, and store the recliner under the seat. The recliner's mounting bracket is set at maximum extension by default, ensuring targeted calf support. To bring the recliner cushion closer to the seat base, you can reduce the extension. Remove the chair levers to allow for easier, unobstructed adjustment. Using the provided Allen key, turn anti-clockwise by half a turn to partially loosen the 4 M5 screws at the sides of the recliner. Do not fully loosen the screws. Move the recliner closer to the seat base by pushing the mounting bracket inward. Adjust the position of the mounting bracket according to your preference. Once the mounting bracket extension is set to your preference, tighten all 4 M5 screws fully by turning clockwise.